Hey y'all, today is Wednesday and y'all, we have so much to do. Today I have to do inventory, so it's inventory day. Not in the sense of like a new inventory, in the sense of like going down there and counting all the inventory that I have already down there and making sure everything adds up with what's on my website. Excuse my voice, you guys, I just got over having a cold and now my voice is like trying it. It's really trying it, but I'm like inventory today because I've been getting a lot of sales coming through. Sales have been starting to pick up again. It's kind of moving out of that slow season of like January, February. So yeah, my sales are picking up. I'm super happy because like one of my greatest fears is like somebody ordering something, especially like a first time customer, and me not having, sorry, that's my neighbor's dog, but me not having the product that they ordered or not having the size that they ordered. Like that would just break my heart, especially as a first time customer. Like I'm trying to build trust and gain people's trust and things like that, and it's happened before, no lie. Like, you know, you learn and you grow. So that's why now I try to do inventory counts at least once a month. But nevertheless, we're gonna go down there and we're gonna go count the inventory and make sure that everything is up to date, and hopefully everything is good. I can get this done pretty quickly, but it is a mess down there. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, it is such a mess, but I'm gonna show y'all and we're gonna clean it up. And then I got some orders we gotta do. I think I'll do those first. We gotta pack some orders that came in over the last couple of days, and then we gotta take them to the post office. So yeah, we got a lot to do, and you guys are coming with me for the day, so I hope you guys are ready for the journey. So you see, I made it to the garage. I had to put a scarf on because my hair, my lace keeps lifting, so I had to put a scarf on, and then I put a little jacket on because it's a little cold out here. If you guys don't know, I'm in my garage. This is where I keep all my inventory, as you guys can see, and then there's my little packing table. It's a mess back there. Yeah, so we're gonna pack these orders first because I got 2 orders that came in. So crazy enough, I got 1 order that came in for this girl, and so I packed it yesterday. I was gonna drop it off today, but then she went and ordered something else last night, so I think I'm gonna try to combine them together so that way I can just ship it one time instead of having to do 2 waste packaging and stuff like that. This is a picture of the 𝙑𝙠𝙤𝙤 joggers, if you guys can see it. It's these gold pants right here. Oh, I found them. This is what they look like pre-packaged. Everything I have is pre-packaged because it just makes life easier for when I get orders. I can literally go and just find it and grab it. I don't have to worry about packing it again. So she picked up our strong shoulder tee, which is like this gray t-shirt with like shoulder pads in it. It looks like this, super cute. These are my early days with my sister being my model for me, so it's super cute. And that was the last one, so that sold me out of that too, so I'm super happy to get rid of that. Scarf, I was doing TikTok, so now I'm without the scarf. Y'all are just seeing all versions of me today. So yeah, we're gonna get this order packed up right quick so I can get that set up to go to the post office today. I'm going out, I'm gonna drop it off today. I've been to the post office like 3 times this week, y'all. 3 times this week. I gotta figure something else out, like a plan of how I'm going to handle orders once they come in, like multiple orders, because I am not about to be running to the post office every day. So I got the little mailer. This is my old mailers because they say boutique on them. My new mailers do not say boutique on them because I really don't like the term boutique anymore because it makes it sound small, and my vision for my brand is not small, so I really don't like having the word boutique in my business anymore. Nevertheless, I'm going to utilize what I have and get rid of all my old packaging. So I was able to get both of them to fit in here, so you see what it looks like, all full with both items in there. So typically when I'm packing orders, I just throw in a thank you card. This is what my thank you cards look like. It just says thank you for your order, has a little discount code on the back, and then all my socials, website, emails, all that stuff. And I just slide that in here on my laptop. Oh, don't you guys like my case? This case is so cute. I got this off of Amazon, but I brought my laptop out here. Hopefully it's charged. I was using it last night and I don't even know if it's charged, honestly. And it's not. I have 6%. That's great. So I'm gonna have to use my phone to update everything, which I don't want to. But if I bring the cord out here, it's just too much. Like the cords are in the way and everything like that. So yeah, let me get my phone. Hold on. Okay, y'all. So I have to come back and update y'all because this is like really weird. I don't know what's going on. But as you guys see earlier, I was going to reach for my phone because I was gonna have to do the inventory via Shopify. Like this is completely messing up my whole video. So I get an order and I'm like, okay, cool, I got an order. And so I have the Shopify inbox, which is pretty much the chat service that if somebody wants to chat with me while they're on the website, if they have questions or anything like that, it gives me notifications to my phone so I can communicate with them with the customer if they, you know, have any questions or whatever. So the girl, she's put her order in, and then she's like, hey, it didn't ask me for my address and I want to apply a discount code. So I'm like, okay, cool. Let me go look at the order. What discount code did you want to apply? And looks like I do have your address. And I told her, like, looks like I do have your address on file, and I sent her back the address that I have just to make sure it's right. She messages me back and she's like, hey, I want to put this code in. Pretty much it's the code for when you sign up for emails on my website. And then she was like, yeah, the address is correct. So I'm like, okay, cool. The address is good. Bruh, she keeps saying hello. But she's like, the address is cool. I'm like, okay, cool. Let me, I was like, give me a second. Let me see if I can go check your order and see if I can get the code to apply. Then I'm checking. I have to go upstairs on my computer because my laptop's dead and I really don't want to do it on my phone because I want to make sure I'm doing things right. So I go upstairs and I'm like, okay, trying to figure out how to do it because I've never done that before. I didn't know how to put a code on a already purchased transaction. So I'm like, okay, forget about it. I'm not going, you know, I'm just going to issue it as a refund. So I just do the math. It's 10%. I take 10% off the order. And so I message her back and I'm like, look, I could take this amount off because it's 10% of your order and I'll issue it as a refund. Did you want to? Oh, and before that, she said, okay, tell me soon because I'm about to cancel the transaction. So I'm like, okay, wait a minute. Don't be rushing me because I'm doing what I can do. Also, the offer is if I buy more than 50, the shipping is free, which that must be an old thing because if you look at my website now, everything says $100. I upped that because shipping is expensive and I'm seeing that my order values are higher. So I felt like I should up the shipping costs or up the value in which you should get free shipping because, again, shipping is expensive and I'm not about to be shipping all these orders out for free. So I write her back and I'm like, hey, we are able to honor the discount. It'll take, you know, a certain amount off in which I can issue as a refund. And then I tell her the shipping will only process on orders of $100 or more. Y'all, she keeps putting hello. She keeps putting hello after I wrote that. I'm like, so I give her a few minutes, like maybe she's just not seeing it, and I'm like, hey, would you like to keep the order? If so, I could process the refund right now. Putting hello. I'm like, are you not seeing it? You're seeing it because the previous message when I put your address, you said that, yeah, that's right, and you were saying everything else. So I know you're seeing these messages. I don't know why you keep saying hello. She starts up a new chat and she says, hello, I want to cancel my order a couple minutes later. Okay, boom, because at this point, what we're not going to do is keep playing this back and forth. Your order, thank you for your purchase, but it's not going to hurt my business if I don't get the order. Somebody else will purchase it. Like, I'm not about to keep going back and forth because now you're starting to irritate me. Okay, no problem. Like, as soon as she says that, I go into the phone, I'm like, cancel, issue a refund right away, send an email, like, I'm done with it. Okay, no problem. I just canceled it, and you should be receiving a cancellation email. So then, after that, a minute later, y'all, she gonna write and say, can you give me customer service phone number? Girl, where did you find me? And wherever you found me, go back and let me know so I can go ahead and cancel because I don't need you finding me no more. So I'm like, well, sorry, we are a small business and we do not have a phone line for customer service at this time. You can either reach us via this chat or you can email me, which I gave her my email. Again, no. So now you're going back and forth, say hello, and then she wrote again just now, can you cancel the order please? Like, girl, do you know how to use a chat? What is going on? Why are you not seeing my responses? Because it's starting to irritate me and I've already issued the refund. So let me write her back again and I'll be back, y'all. Hold on. I just wrote her and told her yet again that yes, the order has already been canceled and the refund has been issued and you should have a cancellation email in your inbox. And she finally put okay, y'all. She finally put okay. I'm done. Back to what we was talking about. So tell me about it, how'd your day go? You kissing on me, every time I This is what my dresses area looks like. It is all accounted for. And so now I'm actually going to take a break before I keep going to the next one because I got to get this package out. And it's already like 2 o'clock and I don't want to wait too late because traffic is crazy trying to get to and from the post office. So I'm about to go package this order up first, and then I'm gonna go get it dropped off, and then I'll come back and finish up tonight. Hopefully, maybe, I don't know, but I'll get to the next area sometime today, hopefully. Okay, so I finally made it upstairs, y'all. So I'm about to print this girl's order. I'm trying to see how I can merge the two. If not, I'll just do two separate ones because I don't want to make things complicated. So let me get this shipping label printed for her, and then go to the post office. My sister trying to get me to make an additional stop because she don't want to drive. Talking about, can I ride with you? She has to pick up her friend's glasses because my sister lives out of town and her friend lives in the same city, but her friend used to live here. And so because she's here, she's like, can you pick up her glasses? Which is cool. But now she's trying to make me do an extra stop. I'm not trying to do an extra stop. Traffic is crazy. Like, I did not plan on being out the house today, but I'm gonna try to do this and sneak out and see. Because I'm not trying to drive. I'm not trying to do all that and drive. I barely want to go to the post office today. Okay, so I just threw something on. Just threw a hat on, polo jumps and some speed up sneakers. And I'm gonna go drop these off. And then my sister has to go pick these glasses up, so I guess I'm going there too. We'll be back. Okay, so made it to the car. Okay, so I'm about to go drop these orders off. I ended up just doing two separate orders. I couldn't figure out how to merge it, and at this point, I really don't feel like having to figure it out. So I got my sister with me because she gotta go get her friend's glasses, and I got volunteered to drive. So, what? Is this place? Do you go there first or do?
Don't matter.
Well, where is it? Because I don't be driving all over.
Fort Apache.
Fort Apache? You said Russell.
In Russell.
I thought you said Sunset.
I thought it was Sunset. It's Fort Apache in Russell.
So that's on the opposite side. Fort Apache. It's on Fort Apache in Russell?
Mm-hmm.
It's further down.
Street, Sharonte.
I'm from the post office.
Yeah. Oh, it's not even Russell. It's in between Russell and Sunset.
I think I know this. It's over there by, I used to do Pilates. We agreed. She drops, if I'm driving, she has to go drop it off. So, that's what she does. Okay, so I just got back. We got the package delivered and would pick up my sister's friend's glasses. So I'm back, and now I have to get stuff done on the computer because I have some new stuff dropping on Friday. My voice is trash right now, but I have some new stuff dropping on Friday. I'm gonna show you guys a sneak peek. I've really been debating on like what can I add to my website to make it better and how can I make it better. And so I've been looking at my analytics and really trying to understand and read my analytics to really kind of guide me in how I should operate. And so my analytics said that a lot of people were going to my accessories page, and honestly my accessories page is kind of trash right now because there's not much up there. So I was like, we got to make that better. So I've been investing in my accessories page, and the first thing we're gonna do is get some sunglasses for spring and summer, because I did really good with sunglasses. I did really good when I first started out. I had sunglasses and I was like, you know what, let's run those back. So we're gonna bring sunglasses back to the website. So this is the first pair that I got. So this is what they look like. These are really cute. They're definitely something different. This is what they look like. These are really, really cute. Giving that like visor beach theme. Let's see. Yeah, these are really cute. So yeah, so these are really cute. And then this is actually my favorite color. It's like a pink color. And they come in like a black color, come in white. And then They come in this really cute like brownish pinkish color too. And there's some other ones. I gotta go through and do an inventory count because when ordering sunglasses, they give you an assortment and they don't really tell you like what colors you're gonna get. It's really here, this is what we have, take it type of thing. Go mark on my forehead. But yeah, so I gotta go in and actually count the stuff, which I'll probably do tonight because I said I would launch stuff on Friday. Very retro type style. Look like this. And then you can flip these up. So these are really dope. I really like these. I really love these. Are called the It Girl glasses because I feel like all the It Girls wear these. So you guys have seen this like very like cartoony type look. These are fire. Yeah, these are cute. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting a lesson on how to make smoothies. I'm supposed to make these really good juices and smoothies from like natural fruits and vegetables because we're trying to be healthy. And so I have to come take a class because she's going back home next week and I still know how to do it. So we gonna I'm trying to know what you got. Really? Did you put kale on the other ones? Oh. And then we also have these. These gonna be shaken. That's what it looks like. Shake them up. But yeah, so she made these earlier today. I'm trying to get tasted because she put kale in it. She don't usually put kale in it. So let me see how does this taste in. Not that bad though. Okay. It don't taste bad with the kale. Like it tastes green, but it don't taste bad. Alright you guys, so I'm calling it a night. I gotta learn how to make these smoothies apparently. But yes, I thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Definitely give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next video.